parang all the time, naging mahabang lubid siya.
No, okay yung sinasabi mo, but we'll just insert that somewhere where we can practice that sa bahay.
Okay.
Yeah.
For real?
Yeah, it's more on like skipping rope individually.
Okay, yun lang ang gusto kong din malaman kung saan ipapasok yun. Pero okay lang sa akin. Pero may ipapasok natin which part sa unang part yun. So what we're practicing pala right now is yung routine natin using yung lubid. Okay. So, tama na yan. Tama yung magdagdag na lang tayo.
Okay, so then, as soon as we run up here, we're gonna go solo.
Pwede. Or double.
Like mga 5 jumps?
Kaya mag-8 counts na tayo eh.
Maybe we should have double and then solo.
Yeah, I think double.
Double is better.
Like double will like just play around just like this. Or no.
Or we can be like...
But partners, okay? Just for like this first portion. You guys will go first. Go there. Jump 5 times. Think of like 5 different poses or different dance moves. Then we'll go second. Jump 5 times. We'll think of something. Then you guys think of something. 5 times. Okay? Then we'll go run back here. Then we'll do a solo.
Kaya ba?
Kaya lang.
Tonight, okay? So as soon as you guys are done, Jericho will go first. Solo. Roy, solo. Dean, solo. Me, solo. You, solo. Johnny, solo.
So that will be at least a minute and something.
That's probably close to like 2 minutes and 15 seconds.
Yeah, I know.
I mean, just to get something done, we need to finish something.
Just for begin at the end.
Yay?
Yeah.
Unless you have any...
No, I'm... You guys did. I'm just gonna follow.
You guys...
I'm tired. At the end, we can all dance. Except for the one doing this.
Right.
Ayaw, gusto yung gawin na natin yung sunod-sunod na para hindi nakakalimutan.
What do you mean?
Yung, kaya ko yung sunod-sunod na. Yung sunod-sunod. Kasi mabilis lang naman yung 3 minutes lang naman.
Okay, let's start from the very beginning.
Oo.
Yeah,
Para makita nyo natin agad yung picture.
You want the music? Yeah.
Yeah, so that we know where to
Sige. 4 lines lang. Magtutura ka ng intro lang kung gusto nyo. 4 lines. Wala muna yung lupit. Sige, try ko lang yung sa akin.
Sige.
Makita nyo. 2 linya, 4. 4 plus 4. Yung sa akin parang
Okay.
ano ko lang. Sige, 4. Isang linya 4, isang linya 4.
Gusto lang makita.
Okay, 4 plus 4. Yan, ganyan. Para ano natin lupit. Parang yung first part, gawin na natin yung kamay, opposite direction. Tapos, para magamit na rin natin yung parang pang ano lang, pang ganun lang. Sa akin lang, I like this part parang wow agad, boom. Tapos habang kayo, opposite. Kayong dalawa dyan.
Tapos gaga.
Tapos boom, agad yun eh. Tapos yung lubid, next is,